Hi everybody, today's focus, I am cleaning some of my husband's dirty, grimy, gross baseball caps. So my husband throws these baseball caps at me and he's like, do you think you could clean these? They are disgusting. Okay, one of them I know was left outside on a boat. So it's been outside, it's got mold on it, I really don't even want to touch it. The other one has got sweat all in the brim, it's all dirty and grimy. Not really interested in doing this, but I am because he asked me to clean his hats. So I've never cleaned a baseball cap before. I know his mom used to put them in the wash machine, but then they would come out all like bent and warped, and he hated it when she would do that. So I don't know what the best way to clean a baseball cap is. So I placed a message on my community post on my YouTube page, and Brittany Lyell replied. It was awesome that she did. She said, I personally use Oxiclean in Dawn Platinum or Power Wash. And I use a facial brush from the Dollar Tree to sweep off anything, then soak it overnight, rinse it the next day. So this is really good advice. So I went out and I bought some Oxiclean. There are a couple of different types of Oxiclean out there. This one I chose, I did choose the Oxiclean, it says Laundry and Home Sanitizer, because I'd like to test it on its bacterial properties later on for another video. So I'm gonna get a gallon of water and place 2 scoops of Oxiclean in it. I'm gonna soak the hats, take them out, rinse them, scrub them, soak the hats, take them out, rinse them, scrub them, until we can get them clean. Let's see if Oxiclean can do the job in cleaning my husband's grimy baseball caps. I seriously don't know why we can't throw this hat away. Okay, so this hat is now fully dry. I am shocked at how well the Oxiclean got this clean. You saw what I did. I let it soak in the Oxiclean in water. I had a little scrub brush. I rinsed it, I scrubbed it, I squeezed it. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe. Look at the inside. How absolutely clean this is. Oh, I wonder if I can do it before and after. Look at how absolutely clean this is. This is unbelievable. I can't believe it. So now I'm gonna give this guy a try. am super impressed with Oxiclean's ability to clean these dirty, grimy hats. That was a wonderful, wonderful display of a powerful, powerful cleaner. Now, hey, it does say it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So I'm thinking that I should test Oxiclean in my laundry with my cleaning cloths. What do you guys think? Take care. Have yourselves a great day.